Hi folks, online AP students. Honestly, kind of forgot about the instructional video this morning, so I'm doing this during my prep period, which is fine, second hour. So if you've looked for something before this, I apologize. I had meetings this morning, completely flipped my mind, and then pride time. Here we are, loving the day. Here's what we're doing today. All right. I am going to post a cell parts quiz on Schoology. Okay? You get 3 tries, so it's not a huge deal. These vocabulary words primarily come from the 4th reading section of the reading guide. So if you're not there yet, that's kind of why we don't know some of these terms, and we haven't gone over them at all. We haven't done any notes in class. You haven't missed anything, okay? These cell parts are kind of on your own to get to know because they are pretty basic. And once you know like the cell part, just make sure you know the function, how it relates and connects to the different cell parts in the cell, and then you're kind of good to go. So this is going to be on your own. I'm going to give you 3 attempts. There we go. 3 attempts on the quiz. Feel free to use notes. Obviously, you're at home. I can't really check that, but feel free to use your notes. I would highly recommend trying the first one without using your notes. Try the first one without using your notes. That way you can check just to be sure, where is my understanding right now with things. Excuse me. I also posted in your updates on Schoology, so your Schoology updates, there is a link to Quizlet. That Quizlet has the vocabulary words for the quiz, so you can get additional resources there. Do that before you take the quiz. That sounds like a good idea. Yeah. So the first thing on the agenda today is take the cell parts quiz. The second thing on the agenda I'm going to post is called a protein POGIL. Essentially, it's just a worksheet that has you taking a look at different polypeptide bonds and stuff like that. I just gave you the answer to the first of the couple questions. That's fine. A lot of this comes from our readings about proteins and nucleic acids and amino acids, okay? There is a key online. I will also post the key on Friday for you to take a look at. I only need you to go to number 15. Stop at number 15. If you want to go farther, than 15, it starts getting into the tertiary structure and the quaternary structure of proteins. All right, so this is primarily focusing on the proteins and how they are constructed, how they're built, their different bonds, the different groups, the carboxyl, amino acid, and R group. Okay. If you want to go past 15, great. I'm only going to grade until 15, and it's more of a formative, so this is going to go in your formative section. Yeah. So just go through it. If you need help, contact me, and I can help you out. Most of the answers for like the short answer questions are pretty basic. So like number 2 is asking how amino acids are similar to one another. What do you notice about these amino acids up here? How are these amino acids similar? If you can just pick out similarities from those amino acids up there, the 2 at the top, you're in great shape, okay? So talk about their backbone, maybe the amino acid and carboxyl group, okay? Very simple. That's all I want you to go through. All right? So I'm going to post the POGIL protein and the cell parts quiz in just a moment here. Those are the 2 things I would like you to work on today. I'm debating we might do more protein POGIL stuff in class tomorrow too, so you might have 2 days to work on it. All right? I think I told you all this, but again, double check on my AP. There are some videos that I thought would be very helpful for you all to look at before the tests in 2 Tuesdays. which should be October 5th and 6th. That's when our test is going to be. And I have the fun job of creating an online test for that. So, I will have the test ready for you all on October 5th and 6th. Have a wonderful day. Cell Parts Quiz, Protein Poggle. I love ravens. Best animal there is, just in case you were wondering. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Adios.